Welcome to healing as a transformative process, the language of your body. This module is about deepening the communication with your body. It is about transformation. Healing is not just mending what feels broken. It is reconnecting with the wholeness that has always been within you. Throughout this journey, you will discover how your body speaks through sensations and symptoms. Subtle messages that invite you to adjust your ways, to slow down, listen, and realign. These signals are not obstacles, but guides leading you toward greater balance and vitality. With the help of guided audios, body scans, powerful healing visualizations, and reflective practices, you will learn how to tap into your body's innate wisdom. You will explore how thoughts, emotions, and physical experiences are deeply connected, and how this awareness can unlock your natural capacity to heal. This process does not necessarily demand extra hours in your day. The audio programs can simply become part of your routine. It is even safe and effective to fall asleep while listening, as this is one of the most powerful times to program your subconscious. Take each step with curiosity and openness. Allow each aspect of this module to sink in, for this time of self-care to be your safe space for growth, self-discovery, and transformation. Your body remembers how to restore balance. This is your invitation to listen, trust, and begin.